Good morning, llamas. This is Miss Lori. How are you doing today? I can tell you that I'm missing my llamas and I'm missing the hugs and the high fives and the fist bumps that we do every morning. But you know what? This is a good time to spend with your family. We have lots of things that you can do with your family. You can practice your ABCs. You can practice your name book that I sent home with you just before spring break. You can count things in your house. You can find letters. You can do all kinds of things. Right now, what we know from the school is that they're putting together some packets that we can send home for you to be able to do some activities at home. We don't know when that's going to happen. They just said it's in the works. So you can let mommy and daddy know that we are working on some things. There's also no kindergarten registration. It's going to be delayed for a while. You'll still be able to go to kindergarten if you're a P4. You don't have to worry about that. They will let you into kindergarten. I just want to let you know again that I really miss you, and I hope you're having a good long spring break. Mine has been very full. We're finishing our building that we're doing in St. Joe, Missouri. And we have some good news. Zenaya's mommy had a baby. So if you have any good news, let me know. And we're going to put together a Zoom room where we can interact with each other. So I'm excited about that. Then you'll be able to talk to me. So until I know further information, just have a good day. Bye.